Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by importing your media into Capcut and set the project ratio to match the platform. You want clean source clips. Trim rough in and out now so effects apply to the right portions. Once done, organize clips on separate tracks for overlays, effects, and audio. Make sure to lock layers you won't edit to prevent accidental moves. This early structure speeds later steps and prevents time-consuming rework when you add complex visual effects. Now apply your chosen visual effect from the Effects menu and place it on the target clip or an overlay track. Use keyframes to animate opacity, scale, or position. Keyframes give motion and let you time the effect to beats. Then refine with blend modes and masks to integrate the effect into the scene. This avoids a pasted-on look. Make sure to use easing on keyframes for natural acceleration and to preview at full resolution before confirming changes. Finish by exporting with proper codec and bitrate for your destination. Test a short segment first to verify quality. If you see banding, stuttering, or visual artifacts, reduce simultaneous heavy effects, lower export bitrate slightly, or enable hardware acceleration in settings to relieve CPU/GPU load. Make sure to save incremental project versions as you progress so you can revert if something breaks. Finally, watch the export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.